guys, Tajuana here from Keller Williams Preferred Realty. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a vibrant city, South Holland, Illinois. It has its own unique charm, local businesses, local attractions, all the things that a home buyer and residents alike will love to see. We'll explore some of the city's favorite local businesses, popular attractions, and some other things that make this such an amazing place to live. Then I'll show you a little bit of a home that's currently for sale right here in South Holland. Let's start by exploring the place so many people are proud to call home. Let's look at South Holland. Don't go anywhere. You don't want to miss out on a sweet treat at the end. Are you looking for a completely updated move-in ready home? You're going to love this one. Let's take a look inside. As soon as you walk in, you have access to 2 of the 4 spacious bedrooms. The bedrooms are bright and versatile, whether you need space for family, guests, or even a home office. Brand new carpet throughout, and each with its own closet space. The 3rd bedroom provides almost 300 square feet of space, and any guest would love to be in it. As you step into the living room, one of the first features that catches your eye is this beautiful fireplace. It serves as a stunning focal point, adding warmth, character, and a cozy ambiance to the space. Now let's check out one of my favorite spaces, the kitchen. This beautifully renovated kitchen features crisp white cabinetry, gorgeous quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and elegant gold accents that really elevate the design. Continuing down the hall to the updated full bathroom, as well as half bath or powder room, illustrating the home's modern style with clean finishes and thoughtful design. And don't miss this incredible finished basement. This additional living space with a full modern bathroom included can be whatever you need it to be. A family room, a game room, a home gym, media area, or even the ultimate entertainment space. It's a huge bonus that adds flexibility and value to the home. If you're looking for a beautifully updated home that combines classic charm with modern finishes, this South Holland gem is definitely worth seeing in person. Join me at Black Amore Candles here at Soho Shops in South Holland. Black Amore Candles is a handcrafted, Black-owned candle boutique local to the Southland region, known for their cozy specialty fragrances and grooming products. And meet the owner, Mrs. Deanna Love. You smell all the amazing fragrances just walking through the door. Welcome to Johnny B's Wet Sauce and Dry Rub Seasoning. Founded in 1985, Johnny B's Wet Sauce and Dry Rub Seasoning has transformed from a local catering company into a nationally recognized brand. Their commitment to quality and flavor has allowed them to spread their delicious barbecue sauces and seasonings all over the U.S. Meet Mr. Johnny B. Come and grab your seasonings and rubs for your next barbecue. Meet Miss Maya Williamson from Skin Privilege. Skin Privilege is a skincare line for any age, any race, and any sex. Whether you're coming to get growth oil or you want to try the night and day soap bar, Skin Privilege has all your skincare needs. Come and check her out. My last stop, Wanna Pickle Gourmet Foods. Meet Mr. Anthony Dearborn. Wanna Pickle was established in August of 2018. Their delicious food comes from delicious ingredients, and delicious ingredients are fresh and local. They source the best local providers to bring you a healthy product that you can trust and enjoy. They offer a variety of flavors that can be consumed by all ages. Their main goal is to build flavors that are unique and allow many to consume, whether morning, noon, or night. Come enjoy a pickle from One Pickle. Okay, you've stayed this long and watched me this far. Now here is the treat. Welcome to Sean Michelle's. Sean Michelle's homemade ice cream. It's so good. I could not wait to get here. This ice cream is so amazing. You might remember them from Hyde Park, so if you're in the city, you can check them out. Well, now they're open in their brand new home here in South Holland. Come check out Sean Michelle's in South Holland. You will not regret it. This is great. I'm Tajuana Rice, and I love to schedule your private tour. Give me a call, send me a message, and don't forget to like, tag, and share, and follow for more homes just like this.